Good Wednesday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. I'm your meteorologist, Joseph Peterson, and let's go in and talk about the weather for your Saturday. Starting off, what is going on right now throughout the entire state of South Carolina? Absolutely nothing. We are nice and dry right now, currently, throughout the state. But if we go on and look at our radar for the entire U.S., we still have some more severe weather going on. If you remember yesterday, we did in fact have just a huge severe weather outbreak that occurred all the way from Indiana over down into parts of Oklahoma and a little bit of Texas as well. And we still have more severe weather. We have severe weather going on right now in Indiana, especially even near Indianapolis right now. So that's what we're looking at right now. That, and then also we have severe weather going on down here. I mean, we even have a tornado warning just to the east of Lufkin. There's a tornado on the ground right now as I'm recording. Now, once this video goes up, once this forecast goes up, it may not be there anymore. But for right now, it is. Right now as I speak. Rainfall going on the northern part as well. Severe weather going on up here as well. Snowfall going on up here inside of Minnesota. Iowa, going on in Nebraska. You also do have some snowfall in North Dakota and inside the Pacific Northwest as well. Now, as we go on and look at our cloud cover, for the most part, it looks like cloud cover is trying to mainly be trying to gain a little bit more than it was last night. I mean, that was expected. We were expecting it to grow as we went into last night, and it did. And now that's why we're seeing a bit more cloud cover. Even if we go on and push this forward, you can see how that cloud cover, it may clear out for just like a little second, but for the most part, it's easily going to go on and get back up in terms of cloud cover. And, remember the blue is the cloud cover. So, I mean, we're easily expecting it to be close to kind of like a half clouds, half sun, maybe even a mostly cloudy day. For our live temperatures right now, you have around 67 in Somerville, 66 in Charleston, as well as 67 in Beaufort, 66 Hilton Head Island, as well as 66 in Orangeburg, 67 Georgetown, and 65 in Murray's Inlet, 67 in Conway, and 67 also inside of Sumter, 64 Myrtle Beach, as well as 69 in Columbia, 67 all the way from Clemson to Greenville to Lawrence to Newberry to Hartsville to Florence, to York to Rock Hill, 68 inside of Gaffney as well. Now for our air quality, for the most part, looks like that we are mostly inside that moderate area. We have a little bit of a good area up there inside the upstate parts of the eastern Berkeley County areas, eastern Charleston County, going on inside of the western low country area as well. High temperatures for today. I said this yesterday. I definitely did say this yesterday, but I thought that somebody was going to get a 90, and it looks like that the National Weather Service does agree. I mean, 84 from Greenville to Spartanburg, 86 in Rock Hill, 85 in Newberry, Winsboro, 90 in Columbia, 90 in Florence, 89 Barnwell and Walterboro, as well as Muggs Corner, 83 in Charleston, and 85 in Georgetown, 81 in Hilton Head Island, and 76 in Myrtle Beach. So somebody's going to get to 90 today. We may be talking about potentially one of our first 90s of the season. I know they were talking about in the low country, at least, this would be one of the earliest times that we've ever seen a 90-degree temperature. So, I mean, we really are getting pretty lucky this year in terms of warm air, especially if you're a warm weather fan, because we usually don't see temperatures this high this early. Never. Now, in terms of our sustained winds for right now, going around 10 miles an hour all the way up to around 20. I mean, it can range all throughout that area, and those wind gusts can range all the way from 20 miles an hour, maybe a bit less, but 20 all the way up to 30, 35 miles per hour today. Now, for rainfall, 100th of an inch to a 10th of an inch goes on for Rock Hill, for Spartanburg, for Greenville, Anderson, Lawrence, Newberry, Greenwood as well. And then in terms of the crazy score, we're at an 18. Why? Well, for the most part, it's because number one, cloudy conditions are going to move on through. It's going to start to get a bit breezy as we go throughout today. Going to get a bit breezy, gusty winds, you know that. And for the most part, I mean, that's about all. Don't really see anything else too crazy. Just cloud cover and breezy condition, which is pretty much textbook mild category. SPC outlook for today, thunderstorms. Mainly, I think this is mainly for tonight, but it has a light green area for thunderstorm activity potentially being possible inside the upstate. The ingredients are there. So we'll see if that occurs, and we'll check out the models in about like 10 seconds. But light green up there inside the upstate. If a shower gets going up there, it could turn into a thunderstorm. No fire weather is expected at this time. Excessive rainfall is not expected at this time. So let's go in and look at the models. We're going to start off here at 8 o'clock in the morning, and you're going to see what I'm talking about. Going to push this forward all the way through. I mean, we're here 2 o'clock p.m., still no rainfall. 4 o'clock p.m., no rainfall. 6 o'clock, no rainfall. All the way to 8 o'clock p.m., still no rainfall. I mean, you see the showers kind of going on, but like I said, I think it's really going to be tonight that if any sort of shower, thunderstorm activity occurs, probably going to be tonight. But the only time I'm really starting to see like maybe like a little isolated shower activity going on, which more like drizzle activity, goes on to like 10 to 11 o'clock p.m. tonight over there inside of maybe the Aiken County area, a little bit of the upstate potentially, and that's about it. And so that's pretty much all I have to say for this forecast. I mean, nothing else really too crazy going on. We do in fact have obviously that risk of rainfall for tonight. We're gonna get some of that rainfall in tomorrow as well. Tomorrow is going to, for the most part, be just another gloomy day for the most part, with rainfall activity really trying to get going as we get into tomorrow. So we'll talk about that tonight. Make sure that you're here tonight, 9 o'clock p.m. for your Wednesday evening forecast update, and then also here tomorrow morning for your Thursday morning forecast update. Make sure you hit those two buttons before you leave, and let's get through today, and we will be halfway through the weekend.